This procedure will be the same if this is your first time using Hawkeye or if you just arrive on a new well pad starting a fresh job. With Hawkeye open, you'll see I currently have nothing but the example wells. When you first receive Hawkeye, you've never used it before, so there are no surveys, no well plans, no well names. There's nothing in the program at this point. For the purpose of this video, I have a test EDM. So we need to get that into Hawkeye. Right click on this, copy, and then we need to find the Hawkeye folder. So within your C drive, you'll have the Hawkeye folder. We're going to go down and we're going to find the data folder. So click on data. You'll see this is where the MDFs, the EDMs, everything will be saved in the data folder. So we'll paste that into here. So now Hawkeye can be able to find the file. Now when I go back to Hawkeye, you'll see there's still nothing in there. It's exactly the way we left it off. So now we have to officially import the file. So we will click on File, Open Database, opens a Compass transfer file. You'll see on the left hand side of this bar it says EDM. So we're going to click Open, and we'll find the well that we just input. Since this is the only one in here, it's pretty simple. Double click that. It's going to go through the process of importing. Give it a second. When this box pops up, we're going to make sure all of this is going to be accurate before we import. Feet, US feet, we want to be grid north. We're going to use mode 1 most of the time when you're importing this. You'll see that none of these selections are checked right now. We want to check all of these. What this is going to do is any of this information that is in the EDM file created by the well planner with Compass, if it's in that file, when he transfers it, you will get it into this file. If you do not have these clicked, even if all of this is in the Compass transfer file, it will not show up in your Hawkeye and your well plan whenever you're referencing it. If that stuff is not in there, but you do have it checked, it'll look for it anyway. So we need to find a well to select. This will be the well that you're going to be drilling. These 3 that say offsets, these are the offset wells on the pad that we will be using anti-collision to reference. So you'll choose whichever one of these you're going to be drilling. For the purpose of this video, we'll just click on the number 3H and hit OK. Give it a few seconds. It'll upload everything. Successfully imported the transfer file. So we're getting closer. Okay, now you will see that we have a well. Now we're going to expand these. When you go to expand them, then it will update everything for you. Okay, now that it's updated, you'll see we have the 3H is the well. Our plan number 4, that will be lit up in green, and the work curve will be in red. Now we see the 4H, that's also a well that we will be drilling or have drilled on this pad, and these are the offset wells. So we have been imported. Now if you clicked on the wrong one, you say you clicked on the 3H, but we found out you're drilling the 4H. You can right click on the 4H, set as reference slot wellhead. So now you'll see the 4H is highlighted in blue and the plan 4 is green. Now the work curve, and if you want to rename this work curve instead of OH, we'll just edit the data and we'll save this as drilled. So that's how you know this is your surveys. So the red, this is your survey list, and the current proposal, which is plan number 4. Now when you first upload everything, what you're going to want to do is make sure that your north-south and your east-west are at 0. So you know you have a 0 beginning point. Everything is squared away for reference. You'll also want to go to the very bottom and make sure that you check it with your PDF version of your well plan, your wall plot, whatever you need to make sure that your bottom line is the same as it's supposed to be on your well plan, so you know everything got transferred properly. There are no errors involved. And you'll see on the 3D screen, everything is there. So this is the well, and you can see that it has been completed at this point. So you know that everything is transferred. And that's it. You're ready to begin your project.